Hi, welcome to the History Workshop with me, Mr. Cussons, a history teacher of over 20 years experience in the UK setting. Now for this, this is a brief introduction and just want to introduce the premise of this channel. So the idea is that it's based on the UK secondary history curriculum. So that's, if you're not from the UK, that's 11 to 14-year-old students. And it follows the UK national curriculum. So all of the lessons that you see and all of the information on here is based on the UK national curriculum set by the government. Some of the uses that it could be, and there are others, these are just simple ones. So some of the uses could include being a homework help. So you've been set a task on, say, Norman castles, and this could help you just with a short introduction, looking at some of the features and functions from there. It can be used by teachers in class as in-class teaching tools. It could be used by learners to do research. So if you've been set research on something, you can use that to work from there. It could be a great way to catch up on any missed work that has been done while you've been absent. Or if you've just struggled during a lesson, as I know some learners can, it can be a great way to go back over something that's been previously studied in your own time. The idea is that the videos are going to be between 5 and 10 minutes long, taking into account learners' concentration spans and things like that. So I'm trying to keep them short, sharp, to the point, so that it keeps their attention. And as the channel grows and increases and develops, I'm hoping that there's going to be topic playlists. So you need to learn about the Middle Ages. There should be a playlist that is called the Middle Ages, and in there will then be sequential and coherent planning that shows you in order about the Middle Ages, looking at right from the Norman invasion in 1066 all the way through to sort of 1300s. So it will go in order to allow you to plot that big picture of what's going on. Any feedback's welcome. If you can, I'd like you to like and subscribe, and we'll grow this channel, and hopefully you'll get as much enjoyment out of it as I have, and I will do, putting the effort in to create the videos. So have a great day, have a great time, and stay cool.